Okay, pour is done. My friend Juan just killed the concrete. That's our term that we use in finishing for when it's done. We put this little control joint right here because we're going to get a crack right there. There's an elevation change right there, a footing with some existing slab underneath, and I know that we're going to get a crack, so we decided to put a little joint, give it somewhere to crack, and all in all, looks really, really good. We came in budget, and everything worked out just fine. This is my buddy, the one who helped finish it, Mr. Juan Ramirez. Alright. Form's held up real good. There we go. This is what our garage is sitting on. Little panels I built. Okay. All right. Well, we're very happy. Everything went really, really smooth, and gave us enough time to finish it, give it a good finish, hard trowel, no running around pulling our hair. So two of us were able to do it without a labor, because we pumped it, so that makes it easier. All right, well, I'm going to be signing off here. Jesus with DBS.